So hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about the filter function in Python. It is, some guys think like it is really complicated, but actually this function is really easy to understand. So we're just going to discuss it from basics. So let us get some help from PyCharm. To get help from Python, I should just type help and filter without the round brackets. So and run this code. Let us get some help. I'm getting this help. You can read this yourself by just running this code or pausing this video. I am just going to see what argument do I have. So our parameters do I have for this function. So the parameters are a function or none. So basically if we want a function and iterable, by iterable what do we mean is iterable can be a list, it can be a tuple or anything. So I'll just say I want a list as iterable and I want a function. So and remember that function should be returning true or false. So if you guys see over here, that function should return the items that are true. It will return. So basically we'll need a function that will return true or false. So let us define a function. So first let us, what does this function do? Let us say this function will return even numbers. It will check if this parameter n is going to be even or odd. So for checking if it is even or odd, we simply have to check if n modulo 2 is equal to 0. So if this is the case, what did I do? Hold on. Yeah, I don't want this semicolon. So if this is the case, I simply want to return true. So basically it means that n is even if it is divided by 2. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to say simply return true. That's what is the task of this return even function. So this all is easy, right? So after that I want a list. So let us define a easy list. So my list is going to contain simple numbers like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 0. 9 and 10, 9 and 0 actually, that's all. So afterwards, what is my task? I just want to use the filter function. That's why you guys are here. So for using that, let us say, first of all, let us define a function or a variable called myFilter, and this will contain a filter object. So filter, if you guys see, it is already says to me we need a function and a variable. So our function is going to be even the function, and remember when you are passing function as an argument, you guys don't have to use the round brackets in filter over here. So you don't have to use the round brackets, you have to use the name of this function, which is even in this case. The name and the iterable is nothing but my list. And now let's run this code. Okay, I didn't do it. I didn't print it out, so there's no use of running this code. I have to print out my filter and see what happens. So if you guys say I'm getting a filter object and I'm getting the address of this object, and I don't want that. So basically, what does it mean? We'll have to convert this into a list. Why am I converting into a list? I'll have to run that code and just let you guys know why do we need a list in this case. So to convert this whole object into a list, I'm simply going to typecast into a list by using a round bracket and saying list. So a list of this whole object of filter, and I am printing out my filter. So now the name of this thing should be my filter of list or whatever, but I know you guys are smart enough to understand what it is. So if you guys see, we're having this list to be from 1 2 3 4 5 up to 9 and 0 as well, and we're getting these even elements. We're getting 2, we're getting 4, we're getting 6, we're getting 9 and 0. Now let us type some random numbers which some are even, some are not even, and now let us run this code and see what happens. So we see still we are getting only the even numbers from this list, and whatever odd numbers are, they are getting removed from the list. So I hope you guys now understand what is the use of this filter function. If not, I'm going to explain you all. So see, we're having this list which is nothing but this whole thing, right? And after that we're having this function even. So basically what is this filter doing? It is traversing, or it is iterating through each and every element of this list, and it is checking for this function. So it is going to 1, it is checking even of 1, so it is passing in 1 as the argument. So even of 1, is it true? No, it is false, so it will not consider it, will leave it. Even of 2, yes, it is true. So it will just store this in a new list that I have, or the list, this is actually an object I'm converting into a list. Then 3 is not even, 4 is even, 5 is even, and so on. So if you guys see, it is just an even function. You can have any complex function which can return either true or false. So basically what will this do? It will apply the function each and every element of that list, and it will return a list containing truly evaluated elements of this original list that we had. So we'll get a new list or a filtered list. Yeah, that's why the name is filter actually. If you guys see, we're getting a filtered list by evaluating the function or the value of that particular elements by using that particular function. So I hope you guys understand. If you guys have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll try to reply ASAP. So that's all from my side. You can subscribe to my channel to get updates regarding new videos. That's all. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned and keep learning. Thank you.